Merry meet everyone, this is Shiv Shakti from Goddess Breath, and of course, I'm here to give you a weekly reading. I'm not gonna ask you about your weekend because I'm sure it was great. Okay, let's start with Monday and Tuesday. The Two of Cups. It's one of my favorite cards actually. It's the first card I ever picked when I saw a tarot deck. It's the first card I ever picked. And for me, this card stands for, the beginning of a new affection, of a new love. And again, as usual, love does not always mean with, a partner as such, but it could also mean love with yourself, love with figuring out what you really want to do. It could be love with practically anything. And whatever it is that, you're falling in love with is going to be a very, very healing substance for you. It's going to be very, very healing. When you start doing this, you're going to figure out really how much passion you can hold within you for something. But it's not about it's not about getting serious right now. It's just about finding it out. It's about that infatuation phase that's very, very likely to get into an engagement. It's that phase. And like I said, lots of healing. People who are healers, Monday and Tuesday is a very good time for you all. People who need to have a lot of strength, Monday, Tuesday is a great time for you all. People who are getting into partnerships, of course, Monday and Tuesday is a brilliant time for you all. And not just that, it also calls upon people to, to take help from their power animals. This is very important. And of course, if it's happening, go fall in love. Really, go fall in love. Go fall in love and meet the partner of your life. And of course, if you can get into a serious thing, let it get into a serious thing. But yes, there is a lot of potential of meeting the right things, people, situations, events in your life, Monday and Tuesday. Now, Wednesday. The sword, Ace of Swords, which basically means that there's a lot of thought going on. Of course, after you meet someone like that, and if you meet whoever, like I said, person, situation, whatever, there is a lot to think about. You've got to figure out what it is that's happening that that's going to take you forward. So it's a new beginning, a new way of thinking is emerging for you, and it is something that will take you higher. It is something that will give you wings. The color blue feels like a very nice color to be wearing or having on you for some reason on Wednesday, because it's the color of the skies, it's the color of the throat, the ability to speak. It's very important to speak, yeah. And don't worry about what you're thinking. A nice thing to do is just write it all down. Just be aware of small cuts or whatever. And if anybody is having a surgery, anything to do with going under the knife, you can be sure that it will be successful, right? Okay. And Thursday and Friday, the Knight of Pentacles. It's another lovely card. Not I say that for all the cards are lovely. Okay, but I'm talking about this reading. In this reading, it's a lovely card because you've thought. So you planned, you plotted, it's all gotten right on Wednesday. Thursday and Friday, it's time to take action. The Knight is someone that, takes you forward. Although this Knight looks like it's just standing in one place, but it's holding whatever it is in its hand. Now here, of course, this suit also talks about money. So you are going to make some action, like you're going to take action to get money, to be able to make money for yourself. But it does not only mean money, it also means the ability to make a house, to take care of your body, so make sure that you're very grounded, make sure that you're eating well, make sure that you exercise or whatever form of exercise you do, make sure you do that. See, that was a confirmation. And more than anything else, if you have ideas and are thinking, how am I going to go forward, take a risk. Just jump to it and do it, and you'll be surprised how well it will pan out. It's extremely important for you to do this. And overall, this whole week looks like one for communication, one to communicate to the other person. Like the first card was, of course, about two people, so it's communication. The second card was about thought and verbal energy, and this, of course, the Knight of Pentacles, is about making things happen. How do you make things happen if you don't talk to people about them and ask for their help, right? So it's a week of communication. It could not be more perfect. This is what the tree magic cards have to say to us. I'll read it out to you anyways. But it's the orange tree. And it says, you will receive the unconditional bounties of heaven by following your heart. And the one word for this card is communication. I couldn't get better. Okay, I'm like a child right now, all excited. So basically, the orange tree says that, they say brides, during their weddings used to wear white and orange colored, used to have white and orange colored bouquets in their hands because it symbolized purity. Now, this tree also gives out the bergamot flavor of oil, essential oil, which is used for love, is used for communication. That color has always been blue. The color bergamot has always been blue for me for some reason, and it, of course, works the throat because it's about communication. They also say that, orange is a very happy, springy and cheerful thing, and it's an evergreen tree. All seasons, it's perennial. And it's just, that citrusy goodness of it, It's like just burn a little bit of bergamot oil or orange oil and you're springy, you're happy, you're excited, you're motivated to go forward. That's the thing it is. And you must remember one thing about this tree is that it's telling you you'll get unconditional bounties of heaven by following your heart. The very first card, the Monday and Tuesday card, is about the heart coming into play. Love. Second thing is thought. And Thursday and Friday is about taking action. So if you follow your Monday and Tuesday guidance, like whatever really, really happens, if you follow that guidance, and if you come to a space where, oh my God, and this is great, I can really do this. Whether or not you think you can, but you can, or somewhere you can do this. Just follow that guidance and you'll be surprised where you reach by the end of this week. It's a beautiful, beautiful week. Have fun. Communicate, and no matter what, communicate. Have a great week, guys, and I will see you at the weekend. And tell me how you felt about that underneath, just like mention it. I like getting updates from y'all. I like getting encouragement from y'all. I like to know how much and how well I'm reaching out to y'all. Please write for me. Tell me how it's feeling. Tell me how it's going. I love you guys, and I will see you on the weekend. Bye-bye.